Bibi ha me kakra. I know my husband will not be happy with this, but I feel like yes, it's not an attack or anything, but I feel like I should spell it out. Yeah, at the economy, or social media. Into my dream, say if it's not going well, social media, nana. I was a mediba. Oh, why you saying, mommy, we beg, please? And you be bonny. No, as I said, and you be bonny. Na a idea me per se, you know, you to your hopeful. On say, ye ain't celebrities, no say, ye donation and I be na ye video by, yana, it be say, oh, you could have done it without a camera. Yana be say, ye anymore. I've been seeing those comments. You could have done it without a camera, and you could have done it without a camera. But me bet you one reason why it's here. Ye bibia the camera to so ye menyame ye free akomem. Ye menyame ye free akomem. Asem we aha me pam the type asem ha me a me worry na masesa asem ha me a me come and free me muna I'm okay. But then my husband will be like yeah traso then I just make us you could see in me say asem no ye me if I don't control myself maybe I mean to me can but my gada me hona me kasa 2021 me hona me penny be sending me video I even posted it on Instagram penny mo pan or sending me video and say Tracey look for this guy some be sha until me post here and me caption say me hwehwe no. Yes, Mobesha. Me caption video we say I'm looking for Nipa send me say yeah Boano and I me post here. Most of Papa my man phone now, but it's not even on my page. Me delete it, but I don't know why this particular video mean deleting free me page. Now, fast forward. Thank you. I'm a grateful. Thank you. Fast forward. As I said, say asama hamiache, but then I feel yemfen too hopeful because be brain na antini me bia se de nti a ye papa ye twa yemfen too hopeful. Me knew Kyekyeku wo baby o, but then me whole video where I just called him home. And me ye ni papa because as at that time we all know say nipa bia here nipa to support. So I did whatever I did for this guy from my heart. Yes, okay, fast forward. And our video now mobile fee no so any. I haven't deleted it. Okay. Into your fee. Any. As you can see, me channel $2,000. Me nye papa ma obi enka. I'm not that type, but as same way I am ya. Me so I will me like I am ya. Any. I am not that type. I'm a papa mo be a maker. And I say me di e panipano enum. But ye nyina yemfa di we enye efutusem. As you can see from my voice, me so kwa me so. Because I am ya. Mo fanche me if I tear up small mo fanche. Fast forward. Man control me want me to but I'll control myself. Ever since that time, mo follow me channel. How many times someone who's a boy or try me movie? Mo follow Tracey TV no. How many times and I'm who say Kyekyeku try me movie? Because me movie, me try I use everybody. Me you see obia. I don't focus on nipa bako. Me you see obia nti e wo ho na masesem me you see akra for kakra e wo ho na masesem na me you see kumase for kakra na when na some time ago I called Kyekyeku me friend no na me say oh Kyekye medjuma and I say mommy mate so that time no na what disappoint me be 3 times and me say tell me no so yeah e bia wa e busy yen fa nkofofofo na me say mate nti mo ha e be people have started WhatsApping me. Me Fuye, I am just saying something. I am me ya. Me pecheche kwa sempa but assembly me ya. Now, se obia the artist eba. Ye nyina ye de eba. So obia the artist eba. Na obia frey be fie ye papa we bia. Me sure senka industry ni benya problem da. This is a message I have sent to this boy, but me Chinese canon me the ba social media. Entino, ade ode me na ye me ya no. I want to bring it here because obitin chen on ti ase. Obitin chen on ti bibiase. Minim je me dia boy. Or disappointing tinan sing stubborn ghost movie no. Na me ni no my giant ho kasa for like 1 year. Me be babroche and I me say oh me channel no be da ho kwade. Me please nobody should call me. Me boom fuye. I am only saying something about boy nyina. I'm not angry. Me boom fu just say eye me ya. Answer I say me be start me ka say eye me ya e bia man control me kra me ntimi nye. But ye nyina ye mfa ntu ye ho fo. Se wo se celebrity bi anya ne ho. Obo obi atimodin on cheska because mo tan kasa asem na so me sin say che den. Me kra me cheska amanfo se me on great me yenhwehwe animu. And I yenhwehwe animu and I kwa na wo ska. And ananti na pese ye nyina ye mfa de we entu ye ho fo. I am only here to explain certain things. Me boom fui. No, me any emfa date say. Date Kyekyeku kan is that date na me de share. Ena ye koye adwuma no. Abusuafo mu nyina mo ya we say. Among for any J stubborn ghost eho. Ena me movie adwuma no you can testify to it say sebe to keep my channel busy keke. I do other things. Ena sika me di twa adwuma no. Se me ka se sika na me nya di twa fofora it's a lie. I just feel like doing it. Fast forward. Stubborn goes omushe. And my friend Director Jackson said, Director, the real machine, I didn't know me yet second part. No, say, okay, yeah, mate. May your story no. If only ubenya cast na but the no so. Kyekyeku de because Kyekyeku de obi nim say me Tracey Boakye. I'm the last person. I am the last person. And to me, I'm so Director Kyekyeku de. Fast forward. A drew say was ye coach no. Me de mini church o sisi a obesu. My friend no. To the extent say Nancy anko fompo adwuma okoye ya omo ekotwa second part ni nyina wakotwa. Onfi me. Na me say oh. Ade my yo bone ana because me de mani hu ni say impo. I think say bro 2 years impo. Me ha no obi anko beka say me chair na de no medwuma bia na o meye mame and apart from that go be medwuma bia I make sure I give him something. Senye the normal child pa give him me penny pa yesisi no me that type me penny pa yesisi no enti no se me ka say ma Kyekyeku $2,000 emre bi enti no Kyekyeku be adwuma me maniska God forbid enye sada I'm not that type but all adenti amama ba life you say me hu say washeda ena oye me de oye me no but abusuyen let's learn something from this me boom fu you but mummy nsua bibi say hwe se obi ya o papa o hu ye mfa boni ntuaneka se obi eye o papa I have people in the industry for years I know mo ye me now for business asare mu they were my friends minkuku $1,000 mponche business dawo Director Jackson kebe ntumo de me buy minkuku $500 mpo mani dawo but Kyekyeku de no ekama that let me help this boy ade no ye mame o twa short skate bi no bo me din keke wo onye papa bia mame but I felt akola me mwa no and I make us a penny pan this video ne send me say oh yeah help this boy and nunti me friend be fi eye de me ye no now and you say me Chinese can me the camera to so a come back live no and come back but yinina yemfa enema bi ntu ye hofo that if you see celebrity be any niema bia don't judge them because obi wo hono ma enema nipa dia ye no a e hyeni mu no okasa oka mo be ba menum enema nipa dia ye nipa e hye ne ho no okasa wo kan mo bebo amanum eche na akoye serious eche na akoye se omo a me chain sika na omo ya no omo sere me because ebi mu ye me crew no eche no omo sere me ene ye kan ene akotam sika ma Kyekyeku ene na oh gosh ayo papa eche omo a Kyekyeku omo ye no Kyekyeku no omo frɛ na dwuma na okɔ but mumie nyina ye mfantu ye hofo mama ye nyina ye mfantu entu de busa ho se senka menya dwuma bia ena movie nko na metwa ena makotwa movie ena ya hwe ena mekotwa part 2 ena makasa me patch o mama a day or two me I don't do this me twa me movie waka I don't call him but me too kwan no ena me say o me keep me channel no busy busa ho se menya dwuma bia ena movie nko na metwa ena no ne be ma me enye ska to aduane adia enka de Kyekyeku dia ye me menya dwuma bia o movie enko ani adwuma me ye ena Kyekyeku e ba ye adwuma na me se de be ya mensa e be koma no a enka de boy ne dia ye me I haven't done anything to him. I don't even see him. Menene ye nkasampo. But watch me wickedness. Ade odi I mean to me fa nyu bia da. Watch me etimusum nitimo den. I won't lie to you. But mumye nyina ye mfantu ye hofo. Let's all use this na ye mfa into ye hofo. I know people that don't understand me will come and talk. As I said, I am not for trend. I am not for anything. I didn't even want to do it, but me chani sikano it was social media. But for nipa to know, say nipa binom no adwe omodi na wiase no. Unya osika nka wonko edi. Senka unya osika enka wonko a enka di. Obviously take your money back me de. I don't hate him. I don't need my money. My no papa say me de ni betwa movie. Me ye Kyekyeku papa say me de ni betwa movie a enka me set bia enka me frɛ no. Onu abedia dance I don't call him. I hardly call him. Yenye mu bi ye ka ho bi ena ni ba boy ne ho. And you all can attest to that. Because boy no fra o mu nyina sa normal. But yen Nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so, and I can say it with my full chest. Nyankopon enam yenye mu bi so. Ena yi boy no epie ye. Enye me na me de ne ba ye. Dr. Likey emo na de ne ba ye. But Nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so. Ena yi boy no out from the brainim. I am the last person who saw this idea me. Na me nim no. Me obi a na me kan me chain is kewie no. I could have called him on me set bia. But me say me kai the last time I made many ho no. Me kai the last time me ne kasaye. But this is about the third or fourth time a boy na bo me timodin. But I see him say time na sebe all struggle no. Omo free no. I just omo friend ejuma. Time boy no obia apart from Dr. Likey name not all struggle no bien fi no. And next sankofo no say just one man for Kyekyeku. Kyekyeku be dimirika be kwa akoye o madwuma. Meni so nansenya me meni so. Me twa stop bongos we ansa na 3940 e kwa akotwa na adwuma na e wo YouTube no. 39 e kotwa second one no. Na ma frɛ Kyekyeku dadaada. Se o ma me ye madwuma ma me. Do you understand? 3940 me Kyekyeku ska man cheni bi. Boy ni free abroche be di Accra 4 days on my set. 4 days on my set. And so boy no me nya ni papa da. 39 mo e kotwa second one no. And so me hu yan say Kyekyeku was set ne so na me say wow. So I even called my friend now the number to me. So I sent an audio to him say hey Kyekyeku sana what here. Sana what's here? Enti fana say movie adwuma nko na me ye. Ene na wo so krampo na nka me didia. Is this how to pay me back?